Great, you are welcome. So today we are looking at product label and we are going to use Pixel Lab, that is on our smartphone. So when you open like this, it's important to note that labels, when you print them, you are going to put them on containers. So get the required unit of measurements. That one will be saved after designing, everything will be perfect. So get the size.
Click on the three dots here and then select the size. Now, because it's pixels, everything is in pixels. So even if it is in centimeters, you have to convert it. When you ask Google, Google will assist you with the conversion. So the one I'm coming to use, the width is 660, 680 by 680 by 290. You hit OK. So you've realized that the thing has changed. Yes. Let's change the background. That's not the color I want, so I want to change the background. Now when you come to this side, you see we have this that looks like a copy icon. Now it is active. Click on the color. Now we are going to use gradient. You can pick solid color. When you click on it, it will change, but I want to use gradient. So because I've been using it, the gradient has given me the thing already. Let me show you how you can do this. Now when you click on the plus icon here, don't forget that we are using gradient. So this is how the thing is. Now you are controlling it. You've realized that the white has been selected. Look at the thing carefully. See that the white has been selected. When I click on the brown too, you see that there's something on it. So let me click on OK. Now you've realized that this is what we did. So let's assume that you don't want, you can just be changing it. And then the app will save your color combination, the gradient picking automatically. So you can see that this one is another one. So just as you are doing it, then it will be saving the thing for you. That is what I want to use. After that, you click on the mark sign. Now let's move from the background here and come to the A. Let me bring in the name and everything. After that, you do the arrangement. So if you want to add a text, two options. Either you double click or I will show you the other options. So I want everything to be in caps, so I'll say have. Now when you scroll here, these are the tools that we work with. You can see that we have the edit. So let's assume that you don't want to use the double tap. When you click on edit, you are good to go. Now let me go to the font. I will change the font size and change the font as well, and they are all here. So let me change the font. I want something that is bigger. Click OK if that is what you want. Now let me go back to the size. Now you can see that here, because that place is black, when I put it's white, when I put it there, it will not come. Now let's come to this side. So let's come to the next icon, which is the shapes, the one in the middle. Then you come to the shape. You see the square. I don't want a square, so click on this arrow. I want a circle or oval. Let me pick the circle. Click on the mark sign here. The circle, once you pick a shape, you realize that we have editing tools here. So scroll through and then let's go on to color. Let's enable the color. This time I'll use a solid color. Click on the color and then I want to use green. You click on the mark sign. Now you use this one to control it. I want the thing to be something like oval. So where the edges are, that's how you use it. The anchor. Let me use the right term, the anchor. So I will put this one here. Good. And then click somewhere to deactivate. The right tap is under the shape. I want it to come up. Let me come to this. And then you've seen that when you come to the A, we have to front. Then let me click on it. That is it. How you can. Now with the shape, let's come to the shape. Let's introduce stroke. Let's enable it. Now let's pick let's say yellow color. If the color you are looking for is not here, click on the plus icon. So when you click on the plus, yellow is there. Click on OK. Now let's increase it. So come down and then increase the stroke. So click on the mark sign. That is the app. Let me bring in another text. Go to the A and then you click on test. The test has come. You click on edit or you double tap. Let's share. So let me click on this. Let me select a nice font for this special. Let me check this and it's not bad. Let me bring it here. Good. So now you know how to type in a text, and then so the rest I will pause and bring in the text here. Now let me show you one last thing. Click on the shape. Now if you want to move it, you can see that we have relative position, this one. Now you can use this one to bring the thing to wherever you want. You can use this one to control it. If you are happy with it, you will click on the max sign, but this one I'm not happy with that one. Now we have the position. So this one will be the gradual moving of the item, the position. So let me bring it down. So now I will pause here and bring in all the text.
Great, welcome back. Now you can see that the label is nice. All I did was I put in the text, then I bolded them. I've logged them, so let me click on this sign, then we'll click on the padlock sign. Just want to show you something. So if this one that you want to, just click the bold, or you italize it or underline, that's all. So let me pause and bring in the images. Great, you are welcome back. I want to change the opacity, so let's click on the opacity and then reduce it so that it will not block the text, as you can see, and it will make the design to be nice. So it all depends on your creativity. You adjust it. When you are satisfied, click on the mark sign. Now when everything is in place, you click on this sign and then you lock it. The reason why we are locking is that accidentally when you click on it, it will not move. Don't forget that you are using mobile phone, so everything is intact. In case you don't know how I brought in the images, I have previous videos, kindly check. Now you click on the three dots on the top right, you look for export image. Then when you come here, you click on the custom and you select ultra, so that you have quality image output. Then you click on the save to your gallery. So that is the image. Very nice, beautiful. With a smartphone you can print and do whatever you want to do. So I have videos on flyer, call cards, and a lot more. Kindly check it out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comments are all welcome.